Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new log picking video. The log I have today is a very special one. It's the ASSA 700 with Christmas trees and matching counter milling. And to be honest, this is the hardest log I've picked so far. I've been practicing for more than half of a year and spent many hours with progressive pinning and thinking and trying everything before I got the open today. Yeah, that's why I have to take it on camera right now. I can show you beforehand what's inside. As you can see, we have Christmas trees in chambers 1, 2, 4, and 5, 4 and 6, and we have tapered pins in chambers 3, 5, and 7, and also a lot of torpedo key pins. So this is really a tough challenge. So without further ado, let's put this thing together again, clamp it up in a vise and pick it. All right, the ASSA 700 is now in the vise. Here's the key. Works smoothly. And for tensioning, I use these two pry bars from Multipick in 0.6 and 0.8 millimeters that fit into the keyway quite well together and also give good core control like this. And for picking, I use this steep hook from Jimmy Long's, and I start by presetting Christmas trees number 1 and 6, and otherwise trying to set the taper pins in chambers 3, 5, and 7. And hopefully I will end up in a false set. But before that I have to play some ping pong between these pins. And let's see. Still iterating through 3 to 7, and at one point in time number 2 should also come into play. That's now. Don't know what's holding us up now. And there's the false set. And also we have already set some of the Christmas trees to a certain extent. Maybe we can preset number 2. And then go back to number 6. And number 2 again. Like this. Now for these Christmas trees. Number 6 is usually a good candidate to start with. Maybe it's set now. Now number 4. And now maybe number 1, number 2. Let's see, number 1. Oh, lost something in the back. Also seems to have lost number 4 again. Lost something again. Again number 4. Let's try number 1 once more. And again I've lost something. Sorry, it was number 6 and number 4, I guess. Too bad. Again number 6. Now again to number 1. Lost something again in the back, probably number 4. Or maybe not. Let's trust that for now. That's number 1. Now let's try number 2. And something's missing. It's number 4. And there we go. Wow, that was great. I like that. Okay, let's take it out of the vise. Put that aside. And got this thing. I made a holder for that, which I first remove. And I've also grabbed this one because, to be honest, I bricked it once or twice and then I decided to grab it, and and this of course makes cutting a bit easier now. And let's close it up again. And I've got a pinning tray here, and let's start to take these pins out, starting with number 7. Oops. And some tweezers. And what we have here is a tapered driver and torpedo key pin. And the next one. Next one is a Christmas tree driver. And again a torpedo key pin. Next one is tapered driver and a standard key pin. And number 4 is again a Christmas tree driver and again a torpedo key pin. Oops. Number 3 is again a tapered driver and a standard key pin, which is also a bit tapered. And number 2, again we have a Christmas tree driver and a standard tapered key pin. Oops. Number 1 doesn't want to come out, I think. Let's take the key to help that. And what we have here is another Christmas tree and another torpedo. So, and let's also have a look at the core. I replaced the clip by a plastic one, which is 3D printed. Makes it a bit easier to cut, hopefully. Oops, oh, too bad. Sorry for that. Yeah, the housing does not look spectacular, but the core has counter millings in chamber 1, 2, not 3, but 4, not 5, but 6, and also not 7. So all the chambers that have Christmas trees have also counter milling, and the ones with standard pins don't. So yeah, let's have a close-up of all that. Here we go. Hope you can see the counter milling and all the pins. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the ASSA 700 with Christmas trees picked and gutted. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.